Hey guys, it's Angie. Yesterday when I went to the bins, I was super lucky to be able to find vintage blow molds. Now, if you're not familiar with selling blow molds, they have been in demand for quite a few years now, but their value seems to be going up and up like crazy lately. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to make over $500 with a $15 investment. So I went to my local Goodwill bins yesterday morning and was shopping around for about 15 minutes and saw the blow molds. Now I have a small Goodwill bin, so I saw them the second I walked in, but I was thinking, do I really want to mess with them? Is it really worth my time? And after about 15 minutes, I'm like, Angie, you're passing on money. Go over there and get those things right now. I negotiated a price. I asked them how much they would be, and they gave me a price of $15. So that included 7 of the Peppermint candy posts, 2 of the wise men from a nativity scene, as well as a witch that was an Empire product. So let me show you what I found in my research on these items and what I expect to get for them. My biggest concern with the 2 large blow molds is, quite honestly, their size. I was concerned because they were about 4 foot tall. I'm short, I'm only 5'3", so it was coming up to here on me. So I was concerned about whether they would fit within the dimensions to be able to ship them UPS. Now forget the post office. You used to be able to send blow molds by weight, but now that they do the cubic measurements, nothing's going priority mail without it being an absolutely ridiculous price. But with these being 48 inches tall by about 18 inches wide, I can put them in a box and stack boxes and be able to ship them UPS under their maximum dimensions and have no problem shipping them out. So I decided to take a chance, and guys, when she said $15 for all 10 of these blow molds, I was like, yes, please. So let me show you what I priced them at, and I actually already sold one. The first one was this wise man 4 foot tall, and it's a Polaron. Now this blow mold is a little bit older. These ones are from the 70s, and its name is Polaron, I guess, and I don't know if I'm saying that right. But these ones are a little harder to find than Empire. Empire seems to be the #1 for blow molds, but these ones are older and so made them a little more desirable, harder to find. Now I had him listed for $99. And that's actually probably a little cheaper than some of the other people, but I thought that was a fair price. Luckily, I got an offer on him for $85, and the person is in the next town from me, so they are going to come and local pickup. So I don't have to ship it, take the time to box it, anything like that. So for me, that $15, so worth not having to go through the aggravation of that. The other blow mold that I got that's similar, it's also a Polaron, is this wise man, and he actually has a little gem on the top, if you can see right there, that is missing, but I did disclose that. These are older, so they do have a little more scraping, a little more paint fading, but I put all that in there, and he is currently listed for $99. I did pull up some of the other Polaron blow molds so you can kind of see what other ones have been selling for, and it looks like the little Santa and reindeers, $1,200. Now a big nativity scene, I understand that, but this guy right here, he's in the sleigh. You can tell much older than the other ones. Best offer from $430. He looks older, $399, but look at this. A little choir girl for $354. More choir people, $300. Old fawn, $350. So there you go. The Polarons are really great brands. So if you ever flip over a blow mold and it says that, definitely pick that up, because they're not going to be from the 80s and 90s. They're typically going to be 70s and older. So that's pretty cool. Then the next ones that I got were these. Union Products is another blow mold company, and I got 7 of these Peppermint candy posts, I guess, light posts. 3 of them had lights, but if you can see right here, it's super easy to replace them. It's just one of those little plugs. Any holiday store will have replacement plugs for that kind of thing, so that's no problem if they had those or not. I listed these for $99.95 for a set of 2 plus $35 shipping. Now these are smaller, they're about 33 inches tall, so it's not going to be nearly as bulky. It'll be a super easy item for me to ship. I know, you're probably thinking that's way too much money for little candy canes that have some paint wear, but I pulled up the comps and here you go. 2 peppermints sold for $121. This one sold for $129. 3 of them for $125. 2 of them for $125. And here's the low end, $69.97. And then back to $99. So I'm definitely in the price range for them, and I'm absolutely going to consider best offers. I just wanted to put them up a little higher to see what happened. Union Products is another company that makes great blow molds. So here's some of the interesting ones that I found. Look at these really cute Christmas mice. Those are the most expensive ones for $750. They have Halloween ones, which are so cute. Halloween, vampires and ghosts, $350. Oh, look at this. A haunted house for $375, $350. They have the Thanksgiving ones. I think I've seen these before and I didn't pick them up. And look, $300, guys. Dang. So it looks like they don't do as many Christmas ones as they do other brands, or at least not on there. But they do some Christmas. Obviously, here's some as we go down the price range. Oh, look, they have the little bears that are soldiers. Those are cute. Nutcrackers. They have a lot of great products as well, so definitely if you see Union Products, you know that that is something to look for. The other blow mold that I did get, but I have not listed it yet, is this Empire Witch. And she's pretty cool. Mine needs a little bit of clean, just wiping off. It's just from dust and dirt from old age. Here you can see one exactly like mine, sold for $169.99, and they paid $44.87 for shipping. I'm not in a big hurry to get this listed, though I will probably list it this week. Halloween is just over, but you never know. Somebody might want that for their collection and they haven't put away all their Halloween, and we'll be happy to add it in. If not, I'll be sitting on it for a year, but that's okay. I'll just put it up and it can sit there till next year, no problem. I think Empire is probably the most popular blow mold company. Here you go. You can see there were 6,300 Empire blow molds that have sold, listed currently on eBay. This wreath, only from 1995. I don't even know if this is real. $4,750. I don't know if somebody really wanted that thing or if that's some kind of scam. I don't know. But they had a lot of Santas and the reindeers, and the prices are amazing. Look at this little Santa with this train. $1,000, guys. The nativity sets are about $700 to $1,000, but a lot of these little train sets, a lot of Santas. Empire is known for their Christmas ones and nativity scenes for sure. But you see these prices, they're amazing. I personally love this one. This is just a big Santa head for $535. That's crazy to me. And here is a little schoolhouse. I've actually never seen this one before. One sold for $415. Here's another one for $400, so that's a great one. And look how cute this little mouse is. He sold for $495, but he is from the 50s, which is unusual. Normally I don't see the Empire ones that are that old, so that's pretty neat. I invested $15 into these 10 blow molds, and I expect to easily make $500 profit on them, so not a bad day's work for sure, especially when I've already sold one of them and it's going to be a local pickup, so I'm pretty excited about that. So if you see blow molds, don't be afraid of shipping those as long as you're under, I think it's 132 inches length and girth. You can easily ship it, and if you have to, you can send it in multiple boxes if you get a set. It's definitely worth your time and energy to have a big sale like that where you have to do a little bit of work. Instead of doing 10 small items, it's going to take you probably just as long, if not more. You could do one item and make a really good profit. Well, now I'm going to get busy listing. I want to get that Halloween witch up there today to make sure that someone has a chance to buy that if they want to. And I have lots more listing to take care of. I hope you are having a successful week, and we'll see you next time.